Most folks see the chair before they see the man, but John's been moving mountains since this journey began. With a gentle smile and a laugh that fills the room, he shines a little sunlight wherever shadows loom. He's got a heart that's steady, full of grace and strength, showing all around him what faith can really mean. When life drew harder pathways than most would ever choose, he kept his eyes on heaven and never sang the blues. He's rolling on, stronger every day. Not because the road is smooth, but 'cause he found a way. With a light-hearted spirit and a heart that's kind and true, he reminds us all what God's amazing grace can do. Rolling on through the sunshine and the rain, turning every obstacle into purpose from the pain. He's an overcomer, that's the story everyone knows. John Opus keeps moving forward wherever God may lead him to go. At Oral Roberts University, you'll hear his legacy in workshops filled with students chasing engineering dreams. As director of the shop, he's taught far more than tools. He's shaped a generation with wisdom as the rule. Hundreds of young engineers have learned beneath his care how to build with excellence and always persevere. He doesn't just teach projects, machines and plans to draw. He teaches strength of character and respect for God. He's rolling on, stronger every day. Not because the road is smooth, but 'cause he found a way. With a light-hearted spirit and a heart that's kind and true, he reminds us all what God's amazing grace can do. Whoa, rolling on through the sunshine and the rain, turning every obstacle into purpose from the pain. He's an overcomer, that's the story everyone knows. John Opus keeps moving forward wherever God may lead him to go. You'll find him in the mountains,
Like a river running clear,
watching God's creation with a thankful heart, sincere. Every sunrise tells a story, every trail a song of a faithful man who's trusted God his whole life long. And when people ask him how he keeps that joyful flame, he'll probably crack a joke before he takes the praise. Because humble souls like John don't seek the spotlight's glow. They simply walk with Jesus and let his goodness show. He's rolling on, and his faith still leads the way. A living testimony We're thankful that he's here.
John Opus,
Our friend and brother,
we're blessed.
to call you dear. So here's to John Opus,
Faithful, strong, and true.
oh, a man who shows the world what God's love can do. Most folks see the chair before they see the man, but John's been moving mountains since this journey began. With a gentle smile and a laugh that fills the room, he shines a little sunlight wherever shadows loom. He's got a heart that's steady, full of grace and strength, showing all around him what faith can really mean. When life drew harder pathways than most would ever choose, he kept his eyes on heaven and never sang the blues. He's rolling on, stronger every day. Not because the road